your celebrity mathematician, Omale Jeff Jojo. Hope you're good. We are doing justice to this and this. And today is the last day we'll be doing, justice to questions concerning logarithm, indices, binary systems. Except you have a question or questions on them that you are confused, then we'll do justice to them, just as we did to the one they sent to us last week. Relax your mind, follow the rules, and you will smile. Let's check this. The first thing to do is to write what? Solution. WAEC Mathematics is today by 3. Hope you'll be there. Collect their questions and look at those questions there. Solution. Now, the first one there is, they say should evaluate log root 30 base 10 minus log root 6 base 10 plus log root 2 base 10. Base 6. Good. Good. Now, you now said equal to, say to evaluate. According to the law of logarithm, I have to bring it like this. Look at it. Log root 30 base 10 plus log root 2 base 10 minus log root 6 base 10. I've started solving it. I brought this one to this place. I carried this one to this place. I've not changed anything there. This is the same thing as what? Log base 10. I drew this thing longer because I want to carry this and this. Since log A plus log B having the same base, for example, is equal to log the same base, they're having the same base, A times B is a rule. So this one now become root 30 times root 2 minus log root 6 base 10. I've not done anything differently from what I'm supposed to do. I'm following the rule. Now, this will now be what? Log root 30 multiplied by 2 base 10 over root 6. Yes, because log A minus log B having the same base, for example, is the same thing as what? Log A over B base 10. Yes, so it's still the same thing. There's nothing wrong here. I'm following the rule. So with this, I can say that this thing is still the same thing as what? It will give me what? Log base 10 root 60 over root 6. Yes, because why I did this thing is that in third, root A multiplied by root B is the same thing as root A times B. It's a rule. So that's what I did here. Root 30 times root 2 is the same thing as root 30 times 2. Now, you all will agree with me that this root 60 is the same thing as root 6 times root 10. Good. So it will now be like this. Root log root 6 times root 10 over root 6 to base 10. Now if you look at it very well, this and this can go. Because this thing will just be like this. Without me writing this, it's just a multiplication. This can take care of this. Since it's one denominator, then it becomes this. So this will now give me what? Log root 10 base 10. Now, if I have this thing here, remember that root is the same thing as power 1 over 2. So this will now give me what? To now be equal to log 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2 base 10. And from the law of logarithm, we'll say that if we have log a raised to the power of 2, let's say base 10 or base c as the case may be, is the same thing as what? 2 log a base 10. Right? Now, if that is true, of course it is true. Of course it is true. What I said so far is true. I said that means this one will now be what? Now be equal to log, to be like this, equal to 1 over 2 log 10 base 10. You know what I did here? From here, the power, this root is the same thing as power 1 over 2. If it's cube root, is 1 over 3. If it's fourth root, it's power 1 over 4. So since it's square root, is power 1 over 2, which I put here. This 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of 10. So from there, I know fully that if I have log a squared, it will be the same thing as 2 log a. If I have log a raised to the power of 1 over 3, it's the same thing as 1 over 3 log a. So that is a rule. So I now applied it here. I carried the 1 over 2 back here. Good. That is what happened here. But now look at it. They say that log a base a is 1. Logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. It's a rule. So if that rule holds, of course it holds. It will now be 1 over 2 to the bracket of 1, because the whole of this is 1. It's a rule. Logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So this will now give me what? 1 over 2 times 1, which is what? 1 over 2. And this is the answer. So the second one here is very simple, but I'll still do it because there's a little techniques there. Look at it. That means it will now be 2, that's Roman numeral 2. That is 2 divided by 64 over 125, all raised to the power of minus 1 minus 2 over 3. That should not confuse you. This is simple, this thing. So this thing can be what? 2 divided by, for me to remove this minus and change the entire this thing here, I will apply reciprocal law. So this one now be 2 over 1 multiply. I have to change. I didn't have 2 divided by 1 over 2. It will be 2 times 2 over 1. This one will go up, this one will come down. So I'll do the same thing here, which will now change the sign of 2. So this will now be what? 125 over 64 raised to the power of what? 2 over 3. Somebody will ask me that what happened to this? That is the reciprocal. It also affected that minus. So if you look at it very well, this thing can be what? 2 over 1 multiplied by, this bracket, because the other one that will be inside, this 125 is 5 into 3 places, and 64 is 4 into 3 places. So the whole of this will now be raised to the power of 3. raised to the power of what? 2 over 3. Now, we said that power law, the two power will multiply each other. So if 3 multiply 2 over 3, it means this will take care of this. So what we'll now have will now be what? 2 over 1 multiply by 5 over 4. You know this bracket is for all of them. Raised to the power of what? 2. So if you have done justice to that, you understand with me, I can take care of this now. The questions has gone. You agree with me that this, since this has gone, because 2 powers, 2 over 3 multiplied by 3, this will take care of this. So I have this. So this will now be what? Equal to 2 over 1 multiplied by 5 squared over 4 squared. Yes, since they have the same bracket, the power is for both the numerator and denominator. So this will now be what? 2 over 1 multiplied by 25 over 4 times 4 is 16. 16. You agree with me that 2 here is 1, 2 here is 8. This 1, this 8. So it will now be what? 25 over 8. And you can stop here. You can stop here. 1 times 25 is 25. 1 times 8 is 8. So thank you so much for joining me today. I still remain my humble self, Omale Jeffrey Jojo. Hi.